What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to show you a DIY cardboard basketball hoop. So let's get right into the video. Okay, so how I made this is obviously how it looks like. So I basically just glued a piece of big cardboard right here, and then I use some extra cardboard to make sure that it doesn't wobble that much. And then right here is where I glued it. So, and oh yeah, and right here there's also a piece of cardboard. And you might be like, how did this cardboard get bent so easily? Well, I just sort of bent it, so yeah. And right here is actually where the stability of the hoop comes from. It's like this part goes onto like one thing here and one thing here, so it can hold it in place. And right here it's just for support. This is like the backboard of a basketball hoop, and as you can see, that support goes all the way down to here, which also supports this. So yeah. And at the bottom, there's obviously nothing. So yeah, let's get right into a gameplay. Here is the gameplay. As you can see, this ball actually fits right in because the surface area of this ball is just small enough to get into this thing right here. So here we go. So as you can see, the hoop does work. Like, it's not as good as some outdoor ones, but as you can see, it's pretty good. And like for a dunk, and as you can see, it holds up fairly well. But yeah, let's try making a first shot. Whoops, not sure how that happened. And there we go. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.